Good morning. Good morning, class 10th. Today we have studied about the fourth chapter of Geography, Agriculture, and our topic was cropping pattern. In that pattern, we have studied three seasonal cropping seasons. The first Rabi and second Kharif I have explained. The third one Jad. The Jad crop is grown in between Rabi and Kharif season. That is March to June. Important some crops produced during Jad are watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber, vegetables and fodder crops. Sugarcane also a Jad crop. Sugarcane also a Jad crop. Takes almost a year to grow. So like this I have explained that what are the three cropping seasons Rabi, Kharif and Jad. Now major crops. A variety of food crops and non-food crops are grown in different parts of our country depending upon the variations in soil, climate and cultivation practices. Some of the important crops are grains, food crops other than grains, non-food crops, that is fiber crops. These are the major crops. So we are going to proceed. Grains. The important grains of India. The important grains found in India are rice, wheat, millet, maize, pulses. These are the five main grains. So now we start with rice. Rice is a staple food crop, and in our country is the second largest producer of rice in the world after China. It is a kharif crop which requires a high temperature more than 25 degrees Celsius and high humidity with annual rainfall more than 100 centimeter. Rice is grown in the plain of north and the northeastern India, coastal areas and the deltaic region. It is also grown in West Bengal, Punjab, Haryana, parts of Rajasthan and western UP with the help of canal irrigation and tube wells. Thereafter wheat. Wheat is the second most important cereal crop, which is the main food crop in the north and the northwestern part of the country. This is the Rabi crop requires a cool growing season and a bright sunshine at the time of ripening. It requires 50 to 75 centimeter of annual rainfall evenly distributed over the growing season. There are two important wheat growing zones in the country. They are the Ganga Satluj plain in the northwest and the black soil region of the Deccan. The major wheat producing states are Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Bihar, Rajasthan and parts of Madhya Pradesh. Millets. that is also known as coarse grain. Millets are known as jowar, bajra, and ragi are the important millet grown in India. These are the important. What are the important millet? Jowar, bajra and ragi are the important millet in India, found in India. Jowar is a rain-fed crop mostly grown in the moist areas. Jowar is a rain-fed crop which is grown in the moist areas. It is the third most important food crop in India. Mind it, jowar is the third most important food crop in India. Bajra grows well on sandy soil. Bajra grows well on sandy soil and shallow black soil. It grows in Rajasthan, UP, Maharashtra, Gujarat and Haryana. Ragi, a crop of dry regions, and grows well on red, black, sandy, loamy and shallow black soils. It grows in Karnataka, Uttarakhand, Tamil Nadu, Himachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Jharkhand and Arunachal Pradesh. So the fourth one is maize. Maize, you know, Makkah. Maize is used for both food and fodder. Maize is a crop which is used for food and fodder. It is a kharif crop which requires temperature between 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius and grows well in old alluvial soil. Use of modern inputs such as high yielding varieties, seeds, fertilizer and irrigation have contributed to the increasing production of maize. Thereafter, pulses. India is the largest producer of pulses, as well as the consumer of pulses in the world. India is the largest producer of the pulses and consumer of the pulses in the world. These are the major source of protein. More major pulses are grown in India are tur, urad, moong, masoor, peas and gram. Pulses need less moisture and survive even in dry condition. Being leguminous crop, they also help in restoring fertility by fixing nitrogen from the air. Major pulses producing states are Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and Karnataka. Thank you for today. Tomorrow we will proceed to tomorrow we will have the topic food crops other than grains.